concept of globalization has emerged, we see there is a lot of connectivity. We see there is a lot of connectivity, and that connectivity, that technology has brought about a lot of transparency in things. Okay? Now we know what our enemy is capable of. Now we know that what our enemy is doing in which hour of the day, right? If let's suppose that we are in Pakistan, so yeah, and we are basically managing air security, so yeah. Just try to understand. This is a hypothetical situation. It has nothing to do with reality. I'm just giving you an example, right? We are trying to assert, or we are trying to analyze the security operations of airports. Okay? So we actually know, now the technology is so advanced that we actually know how many bases are there in our enemy's country. Okay? We actually know that which pilot is flying what aircraft, right? We actually know when they go for their exercises. We actually know that what is the pattern of their other military tactics. So yeah. So is the same case with us. They are also aware of what we are doing. So yeah. So technology brings transparency. So yeah. Now what happens? Okay, since we have a lot of transparency these days, the concept of war remains the same. The nature of war is same, to inflict catastrophe to the adversary, right? However, the characteristics of war have been changed. Okay? The characteristics have changed. You know, now you have a lot of warfare means, and you cannot even, what would you say, discriminate, or what would you say, you cannot even able to differentiate between them. Right now, let's say we have this, when we had this TLP Faizabad Dharna protest going on back in 2000, not 17, it was recent.
19 में उसकी जजमेंट आई थी कैसी 17 का धरना था 19 में जजमेंट आई थी
19 में नहीं, it was something in recent years, like maybe in 2021, maybe in 2021, right? It was something in 2021. There was this processions, like there were a lot of people and so many things have been going on in Islamabad, and the beach shop was blocked and there was military action and this and that, right? There was a trend on social media. There was a trend of social media that Pakistan is going to crash, like Pakistan is going to break. Okay? And similar anti-Pakistan stories. And they have just stormed on social media, and everyone who was monitoring the social media from other countries, they were like, the situation in Pakistan is just so derogatory, and Pakistan is on the verge of collapse. What was that? And then there was some European connection on some European, you can say, there's a research think tank or a fact check body in simple language which debunked that the entire propaganda was done by Indians with the help of those 700 plus websites and the Indian government who was involved in maligning Pakistan and promoting anti-Pakistan agenda for so and so reasons. So the chaos in Pakistan can be generated, and the public could be more, the public could have this feeling of resentment towards the state and the government. What was that? There was no army, there were no guns. So yeah, there was no army, there were no guns, there was no battleground, there was no two-front war, one-front war, and nothing like that. But do you know that that was a warfare? That was a warfare tactic. That what do we call it? Propaganda war. Information war. Hybrid war के अंदर जो subset के अंदर है. सही है? Asymmetric warfare, just like that, is one of the subset of war. ठीक है? यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि we face or states face some sort of insurgents. ठीक है? Insurgents कौन होते हैं? This is a group of what do you call it?
private militia
Not private militia, no. They can be considered martyrs, right? But these people can have Baghi, what do we call it? Rebellious group, basically. The rebellious group. I mean, the state is not providing, it's just their perspective that the state is not providing us so and so demand or so and so requirement. So we will fight against it. Okay? Do we have any example of that? Sorry? BLA or बिल्कुल और
RSS
नहीं, RSS कैसे? RSS तो उनकी अपनी नहीं, नॉट RSS. ही इज करेक्ट. जब आपने इंसर्जेंट्स की बात की है, तो इंसर्जेंट्स एक ग्रुप है ना, कामों का एक ग्रुप है जो कि बेसिकली एंटी स्टेट काम कर रहा है, आपकी स्टेट के अगेंस्ट काम कर रहा है. तो वो साथ में स्टेट जो है, इट इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर सिक्योरिंग द बॉर्डर्स. ठीक है, स्टेट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर प्रोटेक्टिंग देयर पीपल, राइट? However, within those circumferences, after a group of people emerge to fight with the state, how is state actually going to control or curtail them? Those very people are called insurgents. तो the asymmetric warfare जो है ना, उसमें ये है कि आपका बैलेंस नहीं है. अब देखेंगे स्टेट कितनी बड़ी होती है, सही है? स्टेट कितनी बड़ी है, स्टेट के रिसोर्सेज are enormous. The state has their own army, state has their own, their own judiciary, their LEAs, law enforcement agencies. ठीक है? Everyone is there. Here you have a bunch of people who are fighting for their so-called rights. ठीक है? अच्छा, आपने बिल्कुल सही इस चीज़ को लिख किया कि TLP की एक मिसाल जो हम देते हैं, वो है एक TLP है ना, तहरीक sorry TTP. Oh my God, you have to cut it. इसको काट देना, TLP को काट देंगे मुझे. TTP जो है ना, बस अभी से आप वो देखें, टाइम देखें, उससे 2 मिनट पहले वाला आपका TTP जो है बेसिकली, TLP है TTP. आप लोग यूज़ कर दिया. तहरीक तालिबान पाकिस्तान जो है स्टॉप ढूंढता है. ठीक है, तहरीक तालिबान पाकिस्तान इट इज़ अ ग्रुप, सही है, इंसर्जेंट है. ये क्या कर रहे हैं? दे आर कैरिंग आउट टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटीज अगेंस्ट पाकिस्तान मोस्टली एंड समटाइम्स इन अफगानिस्तान एज वेल. सही है. देन वी हैव दिस BLA, बलोचिस्तान बलोच लिबरेशन आर्मी, बलोचिस्तान या बलोच लिबरेशन आर्मी, BLA. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे ये है कि दिस इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल, नेटिव बलोच, हु एक्चुअली से स्टेट हैज नॉट प्रोवाइडेड अस विद बेसिक नेसेसिटीज और वी हैव ग्रीवेंसेस विद द स्टेट, so we will fight against the state. ठीक है. ये कौन है? इंसर्जेंट. इनको क्या कहा जाएगा? इंसर्जेंट. अब इन्होंने जो अपनी ये जो टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटीज की है, कंडक्ट करते हैं, ये किसके जुमरे में आता है? एसिमेट्रिक वॉरफेयर के जुमरे में आता है. इसमें बैलेंस नहीं है. देखो, एसिमेट्री का जो बेसिक मीन होता है ना, लिटरल मीनिंग होता है, वो होता है इम्बैलेंस इन रिसोर्सेज. ठीक है. Are you guys listening to me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
It is an imbalance. Here you have a state which is having everything, and here you have a bunch of people who have limited resources, limited artillery, limited guns and everything, and then they are fighting against the state. सही है? So the war is going on. Those very activities which they are conducting, those activities are called as terrorist activities or something, but it is implied as an asymmetric warfare which is going on against the state or the people of that very state. Say it. For example, we have this APS attack. Say it. We have. Do you guys remember that there used to be? It is not very old thing that you are just doing this. No, it's not that old. You guys must remember that few years ago in Pakistan, we used to have every day. We used to have a blast. Say it. Every day we used to bleed. Every day there was something happening. Say it. Which has inflicted so much catastrophe to our people. Say it. Who was conducting that? यही लोग उसको कंडक्ट कर रहे थे ना, यही इंसर्जेंट्स कर रहे थे, क्योंकि इनको एक और जा रही है जो कि अभी भी जा रही है, which has recently re-emerged, रीसर्फेस हुआ है ना। आपने देखा था कि फॉर मेनी इयर्स पाकिस्तान में एक अच्छा पीसफुल जो है वो एक समझ लें एनवायरनमेंट बना हुआ था, लेकिन नाउ इट हैज़ बीन डिस्टेबलाइज्ड अगेन, क्योंकि हम देख रहे हैं खास तौर पे स्पेशली इन नॉर्दर्न एरिया जो आपके के है या फिर आपके फाटा है इलाकों में जो है बॉर्डरिंग एरियाज जो हैं आपके, जहाँ से बॉर्डर इंफिल्ट्रेशन बहुत ज़्यादा ईजी है, वहाँ पे इस तरह की एक्टिविटीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही हैं। उस कदर दोबारा से क्लास भी होना शुरू हो गए हैं। कभी जो है वो आपकी लॉ इन्फोर्समेंट एजेंसीज के जो लोग होते हैं पुलिस के ऊपर कभी क्लास होता है। अभी देखा रिसेंटली देयर वाज अ क्लास इन क्वेटा रेंजर्स के ऊपर, कराची यूनिवर्सिटी में आपके जो चाइनीज के ऊपर हुआ था, दैट वाज वन ऑफ दैट, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल दैट वाज वन ऑफ दैट काइंड। ठीक है, इस तरह से मेरा सो मेनी हुई। तो ये क्या है कि ये दिस इज काइंड ऑफ एन एसिमेट्रिक वॉरफेयर व्हिच इज गोइंग ऑन। सही है, नाउ यू नो द कॉन्सेप्ट राइट। What I need you guys now, you need to read this, thoroughly read what we have written over here, ठीक है। उसके बाद I'll ask you guys कि मुझे एग्जाम्पल देके बताएं कि सर मैंने ये एसिमेट्रिक वॉरफेयर एक आपको एग्जाम्पल आपसे दी ना कि इंसर्जेंट्स होते कौन, सही है। नाउ आई नीड यू कि आप इसको देखो, एक दफ़ा इसको thoroughly रीड करें और फिर मुझे बताएं जो मैं पूछने लगी, सही है। वी हैव दिस क्वेश्चन, अभी इसके और एस्पेक्ट्स भी हैं, लेकिन पहले यहाँ पे इतनी क्लैरिटी कर लो। लेट्स सपोज कि हमने ये बात की, पहले तो हमने वो बात कर दी, अब इन्होंने क्वेश्चन ये किया हुआ है कि व्हाट आर द बेस्ट पॉलिसी ऑप्शंस टू डील विद एसिमेट्रिक वॉरफेयर, ठीक है। आपने देखा कि देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल हु एक्चुअली somehow support these insurgent groups, ठीक है, who have sympathies for these groups, ठीक है। अच्छा, ये तो हमने पाकिस्तान की मिसाल दी है ना। Do you guys know that there are more than 72 or maybe less, you can check the numbers, there are 72 or so insurgent movements are going on in India.
Yes ma'am,
Are you very
मैंने
aware?
आर्टिकल पढ़ा था इंडिया में, उसमें इस बारे में लिखा था।
हम तो यहाँ की बात कर रहे हैं ना कि जैसे बलोचिस्तान BLA एक हो गई है,
अभी सिख बिरादरी है उधर भी
हाँ,
शुरू हुए थे।
खालिस्तान वाला है, देखो खालिस्तान वाला इज वेरी वेरी प्रोमिनेंट दैट वी डू नो। नागालैंड का है और मणिपुर का तो नहीं, दैट इज माइनॉरिटी इशू, नो नो दैट्स नॉट मणिपुर का, तो वो माइनॉरिटी का इशू था, वो एक अलग चीज़ है। मैं इंसर्जेंट मूवमेंट की बात कर रही हूँ विद इन इंडिया। आपकी सिखों के अलावा भी देयर आर सो मेनी मूवमेंट्स आर गोइंग ऑन। तामिल्स की है, आपके जो वहाँ के तामिल्स हैं, उसके अलावा वहाँ पर बहुत सारे ऐसे ग्रुप्स हैं जो कि इस बात को कह रहे हैं, मतलब ये इस बात के ऊपर मुजाहरे करते हैं और बेसिकली वो अपनी स्टेट के साथ ही जो है
मैम इनफैक्ट एक आर्टिकल में बताए भी गए थे कि इंडिया कुछ टाइम बाद उसके कहीं ज़्यादा ही
हो जाएंगे। तो वो इस बात को जो है वो अपना डिमांड करते हैं कि हमें एक अलग रियासत दी जाए या हमें एक अपनी अलग एक गवर्निंग बॉडी दी जाए। देयर आर सो मेनी मूवीज ऑन इट इज वेल। अभी रिसेंटली भी मेरे ख्याल से मैंने देखा था ट्रेलर। अच्छा, वहाँ पे सिर्फ नागालैंड और सिर्फ ये वाला नहीं, और बहुत सारे हैं। हम लोगों को चीज़ें हम लोग रीड नहीं करते, इस वजह से भी डोंट नो वेरी मच अबाउट इट, सही है ऑनेस्टली। लेकिन आप ये देखिए कि वहाँ बहुत सारे हैं और वो जो है उनकी वो बात नहीं पता चलती है भाई, बिकॉज they have propagated their reputation so well internationally that nobody even talks about that. सही है? And when you do anything in Pakistan, even if you just hold a store or something, everyone would know and everyone would point fingers towards Pakistan. And then, see, this is happening in Pakistan. सही है? Exactly. No, not the controlled media. Their media is not controlled. The thing is that their media is very much in sync with the government policies. सही है? Our media is not very much in sync with our, or we can say to the extent that our media is not very much playing their role as they are supposed to. What is the role of media? The role of media is to bring truth to the people, right?
Yes.
What they do here in Pakistan, that they are manipulating the truth, they are mixing facts with wrong things, incorrect things, and then they are presenting a manipulative picture. And then they are trying to, we are not getting in this argument. हम अपने point से जो है वो हट जाएंगे. I'm just giving you an idea. कि they what they are doing is कि they are manipulating things. वो मिला है ना, चीज़ों को मिक्स कर देते हैं, चीज़ों को मिक्स कर देते हैं, तो फिर you won't be able to differentiate between what is correct, what is not correct. सही है, what is incorrect. ठीक है. Then how they try to actually impact your mind is कि they constantly say one thing. They repeatedly say things which they really want you to have and believe, and which they really want you to process or somehow get impacted by them. They repeatedly say those things. Okay, do you guys think that the political situation changes every day? The political situation. See, something is there, ठीक है? Something is happening. Do you really think कि एक दिन के अंदर आपकी situation change हो जाएगी? No, it doesn't get changed. However, in prime time we see similar kind of shows every day, with similar narrative, with similar people, with similar debates. ठीक है? Do we actually see anything productive? Do we actually see people जो कि पॉलिसी की बात करें? कभी आपने देखा है ऐसा? किसी टॉक शो में देखा है आपने ऐसा कि कोई पॉलिसी की बात हो रही हो, कोई अच्छी बात हो रही हो कि पाकिस्तान में बेहतरी कैसे लाई जा सकती है, इकोनॉमिक रिफॉर्म्स की बात हो रही हो, एजुकेशन की बात हो रही हो? आपके है ज़हन में कोई ऐसी चीज़?
उसका बट आई जिस तरह की बात आप करें उस तरह के टॉक शोज की जो रेटिंग है वो है भी बुरी।
मैं रेटिंग की बात कर ही नहीं रही हूँ. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू मेक यू गाइस अंडरस्टैंड. देखो आप लोग, यू गॉट माय पॉइंट, राइट? यू वेरी मच गॉट माय पॉइंट. व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ वॉरफेयर हैव बीन चेंज्ड. इट हैज इवॉल्व्ड विद टाइम. अभी हमारे पास सिर्फ एक तरीके की वो वॉर नहीं है जो कि बैटल ग्राउंड के अंदर जो है लड़ी जाती है. वी हैव डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ वॉर्स, ठीक है, जो मुख्तलिफ बैटल ग्राउंड, जो अनसीन बैटल ग्राउंड है ना, उनमें लड़ी जाती है. आपका जो हाइब्रिड वॉरफेयर है ना, उसके सबसेट्स में बहुत सारा कुछ आ जाता है. उसमें इंफॉर्मेशन ऑपरेशंस आ जाता है, उसमें आपका साइकोलॉजिकल ऑपरेशंस आ जाते हैं. आपके अब इन्होंने यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है? कैन समबडी रीड इट अलाउड? पाकिस्तान, what we need to do is we need to apply multifaceted approach, ठीक है, to deal with asymmetric warfare. What are those approaches? One of them is counter insurgency strategies. What we need to do is to develop and implement comprehensive counter insurgency strategies. What could be those strategies? Something which focuses on presenting the correct narrative, fact-based picture and accurate statistics to the public, providing essential services, economic development and ensuring the rule of law are few steps to win hearts and minds of people. Acha. Now, do you recall that there was a coup attempt in Turkey? सही है? 2016 के अंदर हुई थी. मुझे I'm very bad with dates, I'm sorry for that. ठीक है? 2016 के अंदर there was a coup attempt in Turkey. सही है? Against Erdogan. What happened then? I know that, right?
तो वहाँ की लोकल पुलिस को जो लोग थे उन्होंने काउंटर किया था.
लोकल पुलिस ही नहीं, पुलिस को तो अपन को साइड पे कर दें. The very people of that country, वहाँ के लोग जो थे, उन्होंने उस चीज़ को रोका. कैसे रोका? उन्होंने उस चीज़ को, मतलब वो टेम्पो के आगे ले गए. उन्होंने अपनी दानिश में they have started resenting against those people जो कि मिलिट्री के थे, जिन्होंने जो है इस चीज़ को लेकर आना चाहा था. सही है? क्यों किया लोगों ने ऐसा? लोग ऐसा क्यों करते हैं? जब आप उनको बेसिक चीज़ें प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो, सही है, मैंने अपने घर वालों को, मैंने अपनी फैमिली को, आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग एवरीथिंग, आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग प्रोटेक्शन, आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग देम इकोनॉमिक प्रॉस्पेरिटी, आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग देम व्हाटएवर देयर नीड्स आर एंड एसेंशियल्स आर. सही है? आई एम रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट एंड सिंस आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग एवरीथिंग. So do you really think if somebody stood against me, so would they counter that person or would they actually favor that person? They would counter that person, right? So one of the strategy to counter these insurgencies is to win the hearts and minds of people. And how would you be able to win that? Like there is a PNA group, right? And then there is another group, so yeah, who's fighting against Pakistan or who's anti-Pakistan somehow, right? How would you counter them? You will try to have a dialogue with them, You will try to include. Why not? This is the point.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the point. You cannot use force against them. They are your own people. What you can do is you can win hearts and minds of them by providing them essential things. जो उनकी essentials हैं, जो उनकी requirements हैं, आप उनको वो दे दें, तो आपको लगता है कि वो आपके against भी खड़े होंगे?
No way.
We most of the time we say that India is actually using these insurgent groups against Pakistan. How India is able to do that, man? Why? How?
Like Modi
India is
so
being,
much.
no, it's not about Modi. No, it's not about Modi. It's something that it has been going on since so long. Modi is just here for like 10 years or something, right? But it has been going on since so long. The BLA is present for like 30 years or more, maybe more, right? The very people who are using Baloch against Pakistan, they have purchased those people, na? Those very people have sold themselves to those people ताकि वो उनको यूज़ कर सकें. There must be a cost. Everything has a cost. हर चीज़ की एक कीमत होती है. Everything has a cost, right? So there must be a cost. सही है, जिसके तहत उन्होंने ये किया होगा. If the country provides everything, सही है, do you really think those insurgent groups would actually raise a voice against the country?
No way. There's not a chance.
This is the answer of your question. This is the first strategy. You have to win minds and hearts of people. सही है. When you include people ना, मुर्गी को देखा है बच्चों को अपने परों में छुपा लेती है. सही है, सारे अपने बच्चों को अपने परों में छुपा लेती है. तो स्टेट जो होती है ना, आपकी कंट्री जो होती है, वो भी वैसे ही होती है, माँ की तरह होती है. उसको सब बच्चों को साथ लेके चलना होता है. चाहे बच्चे अलग अलग मिजाज के हों, सब बच्चे अलग अलग मिजाज के होते हैं. Everyone has a different set of preferences, everyone has a different set of choices, right? But you have to include everyone's perspective. You have to pay respect to them, right? You have to give them due share, right? But we are unfortunately unable to do that. This is the very reason that other people have been manipulating, sahi se बैठिए, other people have been manipulating our very own people against us, right?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. What do you think? Why Sikhs are against the Indians and why they are fighting for Khalistan? Why Khalistan movement is going on?
For the rights of Sikh people.
Rights of Sikh people. There must be something, na? There must be some rights which have been violated, which were subjugated, right? Due to which Sikhs have to stand against the very government of India, right? नहीं तो इससे पहले जब हम partition वाला scene देखते हैं,
Yes, ma'am.
these were the very Sikhs who fought against Muslims, who actually cut Muslims,
Yes, ma'am.
say who have inflicted brutality on Muslim women and Muslim families, ठीक है, collectively. Do you guys remember? Do you guys know? Even remember is another thing. But do you guys actually know that there was a train which was full of dead bodies?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Say
Yes.
And who have cut those things? Who have cut those bodies? Who have slashed the throats of those very people? Who have murdered all of those children? We are seeing Gaza right now, right?
Yes,
We are
ma'am.
seeing that our children have been bombarded, our children have been killed, right? They are martyring our things, our
More
Muslims
than-
and our
More
children.
than 4,000.
This has been already been done in history. These very Sikhs were there who actually done this massacre against Muslims. Then why now they are standing against Indians? There must be something, right? There must be something which prompted them to stand against the very state of India, for which they fought 50, 70 years ago, right? So the point is, when you don't give right to the people, सही है, they become rebellious. सही हो गया. तो वो फिर उसको कलेक्टिवली ऐसा होता है कि वो ग्रुप जो है इस तरह से इंसर्जेंट ग्रुप बन जाता है. जैसे कि अब देयर इज़ अ मूवमेंट, फ्रीडम मूवमेंट इज़ गोइंग ऑन इन कश्मीर. सही है, इंडियन इलीगली ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर में फ्रीडम मूवमेंट है. लेकिन व्हाट दे कॉल देम, व्हाट इंडियंस कॉल दैट, insurgents, right? Insurgents. They try to label them insurgents. सही है. हालांकि कश्मीरीज आर ऑन राइट, लीगली दे आर ऑन राइट. उनका पूरा हक है जो कि गसब किया गया इंडियन स्टेट की तरफ से, राइट? लेकिन उन्होंने क्या किया कि वो इंडियंस जो है उनको लेबल करते हैं कि नहीं, दीज आर टेररिस्ट, दीज आर इंसर्जेंट्स. सही है, ताकि उससे होगा क्या, ताकि एक वर्ल्ड के अंदर जो उनका एक वो बना हुआ ना, एक रेपुटेशन बनी हुई है, एक उनकी प्रेस्टीज है, इकनॉमी की वजह से उनकी जो प्रेस्टीज है, जो वो इकनॉमिक बेनिफिट से लेते हैं, उस चीज़ को हर्ट वो ना कर सके। सही है, तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है कि आप इकोनॉमिकली अगर फ्लरिश करेंगे, इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट आएगी, अगर आप बेसिक लॉ को इंश्योर करेंगे तो आपके लोग खुश होंगे आपसे। सही है, लॉ कैसे इंश्योर है? Everyone of us must have seen, there was this video clip, do you guys remember, there was a person, a sitting minister, who actually brutally killed a traffic warden in Quetta. Do you guys remember that? That the warden, the traffic warden tried to stop them, or not even tried to stop them, he was just standing there performing his duties, but the minister was drunk, and he literally just bulldozed the entire body of that very person. I can't even say that actually. सही है, और उसके बाद what happened next?
Nothing was happened.
Sorry. The video basically, when the video was presented, and the video was obtained from the cameras, the city safety cameras, ठीक है? And when the video was presented in the court, the lawyer has actually subjected that video, and he was like, this is not a right thing. I mean, this is not justified proof, justified evidence. So on the basis of inappropriate evidences, we are making this person free. This person is free to go. Do you really think this is law? This is how we are ensuring our law? Nahin? And then there are people who actually runs day-to-day basis, who depends upon the wages, daily wages, who actually have carts and small places, right? And then there are city administration. Every day they come and they bulldoze their entire cart and their whole thing, just because that they are standing on roadside. सही है, just because they are not having any legal shop or any legal papers or something where they can actually do their businesses or small things. Do you really think we are actually practicing law? No, we are not. These things create differences in society. सही है, होता क्या है कि आपके social groups के अंदर से अलग अलग वो आप समझ लें कि बगावत जन्म लेती है, क्योंकि वो उनमें रिजेंटमेंट आ गई है ना, वो एक दूसरे से अपने आप को मुख्तलिफ महसूस कर रहे हैं. द एलीट ग्रुप इज़ एक्चुअली कंसिडरिंग themselves above law, एंड द वेरी ग्रुप जिसके ऊपर ये सब कुछ हो रहा है, दे आर सीइंग कि हमारा तो कोई फ़ायदा है नहीं. Although that we are paying everything, we are paying all the taxes, we are paying all the bills and everything, still we are subjected to the torture of the state because of these small things.